Hello. Today we are starting new chapter Heron's formula for class 9th. What is Heron's formula and why it is required? What is the use of it? Actually, Heron's formula is used for finding the area of a triangle. By the way, you know that what is the area of triangle? Half into base into height. It's a very common formula. If there's a base and perpendicular of a triangle is given, we can find the area of a triangle. But Heron's formula is applicable for those triangles where perpendicular is not given and three sides of triangle given to find the area of those triangles. For finding it, we'll have to use the Heron's formula. This is on the name of mathematician Heron's who discovered this formula for finding the area of a triangle. Okay, so what is it? Let us see. By the way, the first is, suppose this is a triangle ABC is a triangle. One common formula is area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. But in this formula, there are a lot of restrictions, like you know that base and height. Suppose we are using this BC as a base, then we have to need one height, that means the perpendicular on BC. One side is also required. That means without knowing the height of the triangle, we are unable to find the area of triangle with the help of this formula. Okay. So that is one a very common formula. When height is given, perpendicular is given, base is given, means simply we can use area of triangle. But here, if three sides are given only, suppose there is a triangle ABC I have taken, it can be any type of triangle, scalene, isosceles or equilateral triangle. In all three types of triangles, we can use Heron's formula. So these three vertices A, B, C of a triangle, and we are treating opposite sides of, suppose the opposite side of vertex A is small a, opposite side of vertex B, small b, and opposite side of vertex C is small c. So let us consider that these three sides, small a, b and c of a triangle ABC, and we are finding the area of this triangle. So first of all, we have to find the perimeter, that means S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. What is S? S is considered as a semi-perimeter because A plus B plus C, sum of three sides. Sum of three sides, that means it is a perimeter divided by 2. Semi-perimeter, which is denoted by S. Okay. And Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the formula which is used for finding the area of a triangle, and the name of this formula is Heron's formula. Okay, Heron's formula. On the name of that mathematician Heron's. Area of triangle ABC is equal to under S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay. So that is a formula. So we'll remember, one is this simple formula, half into base into height, and second is Heron's formula. Now coming to exercise 12.1, where we'll discuss some questions based on Heron's formula. Exercise 12.1. Question number 1. Taking first question, which says a traffic signal board indicated school ahead is an equilateral triangle with the side A. Find the area of a signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? Okay. So there is a equilateral triangular board. This is equilateral triangular board. Okay. A, B, C. In the question it is given that the side of it is A. Since it is an equilateral, that means all sides equal to A. And it is mentioned school ahead. Okay. Two questions. There are two parts of the question. Number one, we are going to find the area of this triangle. And second one, the perimeter is given 180 centimeter. then what is the area of it? Okay, so number one, using by Heron's formula. Area of triangle ABC is equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. But one condition is here, since it is an equilateral triangle, therefore A is equal to B is equal to C. Reason? Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay? A is equal to B is equal to so. What is the value of S? A plus A upon 2. Why A plus A upon 2? Because B and C are equal to A. So 3 upon 2, that is the value of S. These values S, A, B, C we are substituting in this formula. Then we are getting the result as 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 minus A, 3 upon 2 minus A and 3 upon 2 minus A. In place of ABC, I can put A and A because all sides are equal. It is coming 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2 minus A upon 1, LCM is 2, LCM 2. It is coming 3A minus 2A, same as 3A minus 2A upon 2 and 3A minus 2A upon 2. Okay. In the next step, 3A upon 2, 3A minus 2A, A upon 2, A upon 2, A upon 2. How many times? 3 times. After that, now we'll see that how many pairs are there. A is coming 4 times. That means there are 2 pairs are formed. One pair is this, second pair is here. So A into A square I am writing outside. On denominator 2 coming 1, 2, 3, 4 times. There are 2 pairs. One pair is here, one pair is here. So that means 2 and 2, 4 is coming out. Now what is left in the root? Only 3 is left, which is not having any pair. So it remains as it is in the root form. It's okay. That means it is coming root 3 upon 4 A square. And root 3 upon 4 A square, what does it mean? What is A? A is considered as a height of the triangle. So may I write here root 3 upon 4 into side square. This is the formula of equilateral triangle for finding the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay. So rather than writing this entire formula, if the triangle is an equilateral triangle, we can use root 3 upon 4 side square. So that is the first part of the question. Second part, it is given that the perimeter is 180. Perimeter of triangle is equal to 180 centimeter. Perimeter, that means sum of 3 sides. 3A is equal to 180. Therefore, A is equal to 180 upon 3, 60 centimeter. Okay. One side we got it, 60 centimeter. Now what is the area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side square. What is side? 60 square. So that means it is root 3 upon 4, 60 multiplied by 60. 4 1 ja, 4 5 ja, 20. So 15 6 ja, 90, 900 under root 3 centimeter square. Since it is the area, so its unit is centimeter square. 900 under root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay. So that is question number 1 of this exercise 12.1. So now one thing you should remember, that whenever the triangle is an equilateral triangle, simply we can use root 3 upon 4 side square. Okay. Root 3 upon 4 side square. But limitations are there in this formula. It is used only for equilateral triangle. Okay. Coming to second question. Question number 2. Second question of exercise 12.1. A triangular side walls of the flyover have been used for advertisement. The side of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Okay. So three sides of the triangular portion is given 122, 22 and 120 meter. 122, 22 and 120. 122, 22 and 120 meter. These three sides of the triangle are given 122, 22 and 120. 122, 22 and 120 and all are given in the meter form. Okay. So first of all we are finding the area of it. After that for finding the cost of 3 months. Area of triangle ABC is equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay. Using Heron's formula, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A, opposite of A, 22, opposite of B, 120 and opposite of C, 122 upon 2. So it is coming 4, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2. 264 upon 2, 132 meter. This is as, okay, using formula, putting the value in it as 132 S minus A. 132 minus A, 22. 132 minus B, 120. And 132 minus C, 122. Okay. What is coming? 132 multiplied by 132 minus 22, 110. 132 minus 120, it is 12. And 132 minus 122, it is 10. After this step, we have two different ways for solving the question. Number one, either you can multiply all the terms and find out the square root of it, but it is a lengthy process. The second procedure is we have to find the prime factors of all the terms and making pair of them, and whatever the terms which are having the complete pair taking outside of the roots. Okay. So we are using the second method, finding the square root of 132. Square root of 132. Square root of 132, 2, 2, 6 are 12, 2, 6 are 12, 33, 3 that is 11. So when I write here 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. 110 can be written 11 into 10, 2 into 5. 12 can be written 2, 2 are 4, 3 are 12 and 2 into 5. Okay. So these are the pairs of all the terms. Prime factors I have found all the prime factors of these numbers. Now starting from it, find out the smallest number. 2 here, 1, let us see 2 coming how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, that means how many pairs of 2? There are 3 pairs. 1, 2, 3. 3 is coming 1, 2 times. There's a 1 pair. 5 is coming 2 times, 1 pair. And 11 is also coming 1 time, 1 pair. Okay. No other number left in the root. Multiply 2 to the 4, 2 to 8, 3 are 24, 24, 5 are 120, 120 multiplied by 11, 120, 132, 1320 meter square. Okay, so multiplication of the terms, 2 to the 4, 2 to 8, 3 are 24, 5 are 120 and 120 multiplied by 11, that means 12 multiplied by 11, 132 with 1 0, 1320 meter square area. Second line of this question, which is given, advertisement yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Okay. So earning earning in 1 year is equal to rupees 1320 multiplied by amount 5,000. Okay, this is earning in 1 year. 5 2s are 10, 5 3 are 15, 1 16, 1, and 5 1 6, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So that is 1 2 3 4 5 rupees 66 lakh. This is the earning in 1 year. And question is, they are asking that a company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So the rent paid by company in 3 months. In how many months? 3 months. So this is for 1 year. This is the earning for the 1 year. We are going to find the company in 3 months. How much amount the company is to be paid as a rent. So I have to write here 66 lakh 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 12. Why divided by 12? Because this is earning for 1 year. 1 year having how many months? 12 months. So divided by 12, that means the earning of 1 month. So this is the rent paid in 1 month. And we are finding that the rent paid in 3 months. So multiplied by 3. So 3 4s are 12. And now we will divide it. What is the answer? 4 1s are 4. It is coming to 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. It is 2. 4 5s are 20. And after that 1 2 3 4. So that is coming 16 lakh 50,000. Company has to pay for advertisement charge. Okay, for 3 months. So this is question number 2. After that, we are taking a question from the same exercise 12.1. I want to discuss this question number 4. Find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Okay, question number 4. Fourth is area. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle having two sides 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay, and perimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Perimeter is 42 centimeter. Okay, how to solve this question? In a triangle, two sides are given and perimeter is given. Perimeter is a sum of three sides, two already given. For finding the third side, perimeter minus sum of two sides. Okay, you can make a simple diagram like this. Sides are given 18 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, and perimeter is equal to given 42 centimeter. Okay, so I'll consider let the sides. Third side, okay, here I'll write here let AB is equal to 18 centimeter, BC is equal to 10 centimeter, and AC is equal to 42 minus 18 plus 10. Is it okay? Because the perimeter is sum of three sides. So sum of three sides, perimeter is equal to third side for finding the third side, perimeter minus sum of two sides. So 42 minus 28, 12 minus 8, 4, it is 3 minus 2, 1, 14 centimeter. Okay, this is 14 centimeter. Now we got all three sides using Heron's formula. By Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. How to find the S? S is equal to sum of three sides already given perimeter divided by 2, 21. Okay, sum of three sides A plus B plus C, that means it is your perimeter 42. So 21 minus A 10, 21 minus B 14, and 21 minus C 18. So it is coming 21 multiplied by 20 minus 10, 11, 7, and that is 3. Again using the same thing, making a prime factor of it. 21, 3 7 are 21 into 11 into 7 into 3. Okay. So pair, you can see that the pair of it, one pair of 3, one pair of 7, and no pair of 11. 11 is inside the root. So 7 3 are 21 under root 11 centimeter square. This is the area of perimeter 11 under root 21 centimeter. Okay. If you want to find the answer in the decimal form, then what should be done? You'll simply multiply all these terms. 7 3 are 21 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 21. So 21 into 21, 441 multiplied by 11, and find out the square root by using log division, by using division method. Okay. After this question, I am taking number 5. Question number 5. It is also an important question. This is exercise 12.1, question number 5. Sides of the triangle are in the ratio. Sides of the triangle are in the ratio. Sides of the triangle are in the ratio 12 ratio 17 ratio 25, and its perimeter is 540. Its perimeter is 540 centimeter square. Oh, sorry, perimeter is 540 only. Find its area. Find its area. Okay, find its area. How to find the area of it? For finding the area, three sides are given in the ratio. Okay. Three sides are given in the ratio 12 ratio 17 ratio 25. Ratios are not the exact length of the sides. Ratios, that means if you are finding the sides in a proper way, so we have to consider like 12, any scalar quantity 12k, 17k, and 25k. Okay. So there are three sides are in the ratio 12 ratio 17 ratio 25. So we'll consider let the sides of triangle be 12k, 17k, and 25k, where k is any scalar quantity. Okay, what does it mean? K is any term like any scalar quantity 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 3, whatever it is. By the way, it is coming in the form of positive only. It is any scalar quantity. Okay. Perimeter is given 540 centimeter. Perimeter is 540 centimeter. Okay. So three sides are given 1, 2, 3. And perimeter, what does it mean? Sum of three sides is equal to perimeter. So I write here as given 12K plus 17K plus 25K is equal to 540. When we are going to add them, 2, 7, 9, 5, 14, 1, 3, 4, 5. 54K is equal to 540. Therefore, K is equal to 540 upon 54. It is 10. Since K is equal to 10, so I told you is a scalar quantity, the value of K is equal to 10. That means the sides are, therefore, sides of triangle are 12K, 12 multiplied by 10, 120 centimeter. Second, 17K, 17 multiplied by 10, 170 centimeter. And third is 25K, 25 multiplied by 10, 250 centimeter. Now this is the exact position that now we have got the three sides of the triangles 120, 170 and 250 centimeter. And now we are going to find the area of a triangle. Okay. So for finding the area of a triangle, first S is equal to 120 plus 170 plus 250 upon 2. Because the perimeter is already given 540, so its sum will be coming 540. You can check 12, 14, 54, 540 upon 2. So direct 540 upon 2, will write here 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 40, 270 centimeter. Okay. Area of triangle is equal to, which formula we can use here? We'll use S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. What is S? 270 minus A, 120, 270 minus B, 170, and 270 minus C, 250. That means 270 multiplied by 270 minus 120, it is 150. 270 minus 170, 100. And 270 minus 250, it is 20. Okay. We'll make a prime factor of it. 270, 27, 27, 3, 3, 9, 3, 27. So I write here 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 10. 150. 3 into 5 into 10. 100. 10 into 10. And 2 into 10. Now what happens? You can check it. 2 is coming only one time. If 2 is coming only one time, what does it mean? This any one of the 10 we can break into two parts, 2 into 5. Okay. So here I can write here 3 into 3 multiply 3 multiply this 10 can be written 2 into 5 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. After that 10 into 2 into 10. Is that okay? Now you can see that 2 is coming 2 times. That means there's a single pair of 2. So 2 is here. After that 3 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4 times. There are 2 pairs. After 2, 3 and then 5. 5 is coming 1, 2, 1 pair. And 10 is coming how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 10 into 10. So when we multiply these terms, 2, 3 are 6, 15, 15 multiplied by 6, 90, 90 multiplied by 100, 900, 9,000. Once again, 2, 3 are 6, 6, 3 are 18, 18, 5 are 90, 90, 900 and 9,000. 9,000 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is equal to now 9,000 centimeter square. Okay. One last question left of this exercise. That is, and question number 6 is, an isosceles triangle has a perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of a triangle. Perimeter 30, equal sides is equal to 12. Okay. Sixth question. Triangle ABC. Perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal to, perimeter of it is 30 centimeter and each equal sides 12 centimeter. Okay. And we are going to find the area of a triangle. And it's a simple question. Already we have solved these type of questions. 12 plus 12, 24. 30 minus 24, 6. So third side is 6 centimeter. Okay. Direct using by Heron's formula. By Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. 12 plus 12 plus 6 upon 2. That means 30 upon 2, that is 15 centimeter. Okay. So area of triangle is equal to, putting the value in it, as 15, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12 and 15 minus 6. Okay. Three sides are there, A, B, C. 15, 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 12, 3 and 15 minus 6, it is 9. So that means 15 can return 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 and 9 is written 3 into 3. Okay. How many pairs of 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not 5, 5 terms. So there are only 2 pairs of 3. So 3 into 3 should be written outside. Inside it is left 5 3s are 15. So it is coming 9 under root 15 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle. That is one. Second, also suppose if you want to find the answer in the form of decimal, then how to solve it? We will multiply all the terms. 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27. Actually 3 3 are 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 multiplied by 15. 5 8 5 are 40. 1 8 5 1 12. 1 2 1 5. 5 8 5 are 40. 1 8 1 are 8. 5 1 8 5 12. So this is coming 1 2 1 5 and we are going to find 1215 using by the division method. How to find the square root of 1215. So I'll make a pair from the right hand side. There's a one pair, it is the second pair. 12 is here. So I think we'll have to read the table in such a way like 1 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 3 3 ja, 4 4 ja, and check it whether when we are reaching up to the 12 or just less than 12. So 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16, which is more than that. That means 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9. So 3 is here, 3 is here, 9. 12 minus 9, it is 3. The number which is coming here at the unit place, same number will be added here. 3 plus 3, 6. One pair should be copied here. It is carried 15. So 315 coming here. After that, again using the same method, writing here 6 with writing 1 multiplied by 1, 6. 1 multiplied by 1, 61. 6 with 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 124. And 6, 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3 ja 9, 6 3 ja 18, 189. 6, 4 multiplied by 4, 4 4 ja 16, 6 or 24, 256. We are reaching very close to 315. 6, 5 multiplied by 5, 5 5 is 25, 2, 6, 5 is 30, 32, 325. But 325, you see that's more than the 315. Therefore, this is the correct term, 64 and 4. So right here 4, it is 4 and 256 is here. 15 minus 6, it is 9, 10 minus 5, 5. Okay, no number is here, decimal, one pair of 0. Adding unit place only, not 64, unit number 4. So it is 68. Now again started the same procedure. We'll write 64 here. With 64, 1 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, and reaching the term here. So 68. One guess, first number you can see here 6, and here you will see that the two number 59. 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54. 6 9 ja 54. So I think we will take 68 9 multiplied by 9. Let us see. 9 9 ja 81, 8. 9 8 ja 72, 72 8 80, 8. 9 6 ja 54, 62. 6201. Okay, 6201, and it is 59 5009. So I think it is 6 8 8 and 8. 68 with 8 multiplied by 8. 8 8 just 64, 6. 8 8 just 64, 6, 77. 8 6 just 48. 48 7, 55. 5504. So I'll write here 8 1 8 is here, and it is 5504. 10 minus 4 6, it is 9. Here is 8 minus 5 3. And now the process is going on, but after one decimal 34.8 something, this is the answer. So you can write here either 9 under root 15 or 34.8 centimeter square. Both the answers are correct and both the methods are correct. Right? So this is the end of exercise 12.1. Okay. And in my next lecture, Heron's formula part 2, we'll have to discuss exercise 12.2, in which instead of triangle, we'll have to find the area of a quadrilateral. Okay. So in the next lecture, we'll see you again in the next lecture. Till then, bye. Thank you.